Hello everyone, and thanks for joining today and tuning into my channel. In today's video, I will be doing a plan with me in my classic Happy Planner for the month of November. So we will flip to, this was October's spread, and now we will go in to November. I always kind of have a little half sheet in there for some helpful thoughts for things to remember for the month. And we will get started. In this month, I'm thinking doing a leaf pumpkin theme. And oh my gosh, you should see the stack of sticker books that I have off to the side. I'm really trying to use up a lot of my stash. So I'll link the ones that I primarily use, but a lot of it is all the seasonal books. This is from the new seasonal book. And this is from the Happy Memory Keeping Holidays book. Husband hates it, but daylight savings. I'm all about sleep. And this is from the Fun Kid book. It is my daddy's birthday, and I liked the color there. Okay, so here's the finished product for the month of November. Kind of showing in October. What I try to do is at least have something written in each day, so I'll kind of go and backfill in October. But that's how November turned out. So any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. And I think that's it. Thanks for watching. Please feel free to like and subscribe. See you next time.